Morning, all of you. How are you all? All fine. I hope you studied the chapter well. You read the chapter. Yes, we finished the chapter, and I gave you some diagrams. Also, I gave you the diagram of the flower, the diagram of the pistil, and the stamen. I hope you have drawn all those diagrams in your copy, right? Because today we will be doing the question answers of that chapter. Okay. So let's just start the question answers. I will be sharing my screen with you and I will be showing you all those question answers. And I will also tell you which questions you will do in your copy and which you have to do only in the book. Okay. So please be very attentive and look at the questions very carefully. Okay. All right. Let's start. So question number 1. You will only do it in the book, not in the copy. Okay. I know they are saying that rewrite them in your notebook, but we will simply rewrite in the book. Okay. I will tell you how to do it. Okay. I am here marking the words that you will change. Only the words that you will change. Okay. All right. So the first one is stem absorbs water and minerals from the soil. So is it correct? No. So what part we have to change? We have to change the stem. In place of stem, what will I write? I will write root. Okay. Root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay. B part now. Leaves hold the plant upright. Okay. Again, leaves is wrong. This is a wrong statement because leaves are not the part which hold the plant upright. It is the stem. Right? So that will be stem. Then C part. Roots conduct water to the leaves. Again, it's not roots which conduct water to the leaves. It is the stem, right? So the words that I am underlining, you will only cut those words in the book only, and in place of those words, write the correct words, right? So A part you will write root, B part and C part you will write stem. Okay? B part. The number of petals and sepals in a flower is always equal. Okay, here this statement is not correct because they may or may not be equal. So what will I write? The number of petals and sepals in a flower. After that, I will cut this. Yes, and I will write may be equal or different. Right? May be equal or different. Then I come to the E part. E part I have the number of, sorry, if the sepals of a flower are joined together, then its petals are also joined together. So again, I will cut this R also. What will I write? Its petals may or may not be joined together. Okay, its petals may or may not be joined together. Fine. Let's move on to this last part. If the petals of a flower are joined together, then the pistil is joined to the petal. Again, the correct one is if the petals of a flower are joined together, then the stamen may or may not be joined to the petal. So we will cut this whole thing. Okay, and in place of this, we will write the correct words. The correct words are stamen may or may not. Okay, then join to the petal is written already. Fine. So this is how we will do question number 1, but it will be done only in the copy, only in the book, not in the copy. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Yes, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is draw a leaf, a taproot, a flower if you have studied. Okay. Now, beta, the leaf actually we had already drawn in the live classes. I asked you to already draw the leaf. So if it is drawn, then fine. If it is not drawn, then you can draw it. If you have already drawn it, then you don't need to draw it again. Okay? Then you don't need to draw it again. And in fact, you can also draw, I'll show you the figure that I'm showing you now. I think you should draw those ones. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm so sorry. Okay, so they are asking for a leaf, a taproot, and a flower. Okay, for the leaf, you will draw this figure 7.8. Okay, for the taproot, here. Right? Figure 7.17, A part. You only have to draw the taproot. Okay? And the third one, they are asking a flower. Flower की मैंने आपको कल ही draw करवा दी थी picture, so you will not have to draw it again. इसको दोबारा draw करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? And these ones also, if you have already drawn them in the copy, then you don't need to draw them in the copy. Okay? So here you will draw figure 7.8 and figure 7.78 marks. Okay, these will be the figures that you will draw, not these ones. Okay, leaf of a rose plant, flower of a rose plant, you don't need to draw them. All right. Let's move on to question number 3. Yes, can you find a plant in your neighborhood which has a long but a weak stem? Write its name. In which category would you classify it? So what do we find? We always find the money plant, right? So I can find in my neighborhood, its name is, I can find in my neighborhood a plant which has a long but weak stem. Its name is cucumber or honey plant or pea. You can write down any of them. And it comes under the category of a climber plant, right? So you can, I think you should write money plant. Okay, don't write the other ones. We don't see them quite frequently in our neighborhood. Yes, so we see the money plant. So we will write the money plant. Okay. So yes, I can find in my neighborhood a plant which has a long but a weak stem. Its name is money plant. It comes under the category of climber plant. Okay. Question number 3 you will be doing in your copy. Question number 4 also you will be doing in the copy. What is the function of a stem in a plant? The functions of stem in a plant. Number 1, it provides support to the branches of the plant. Number 2, it bears buds, flowers, leaves, and fruits. Number 3, it carries water and minerals from the roots to different parts of the plant. Number 4, it also carries prepared food from leaves to the different parts of the plant. तो वो सभी सबसे पहले प्लांट को सपोर्ट करता है, buds, flowers, leaves, fruits वगैरह सब bear करते हैं. Then it gives water and minerals from the leaves, from the roots to the leaves, and it also gives the food from the leaves to the different parts of the plant. Right? Okay. Which is having reticulate venation. This one you will not do in the copy, okay? Only in the book. So the answer is, we don't have to write कि क्या होता है venation, वो हमें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So we know that the leaves of tulsi, coriander and China rose, they have got reticulate venation, okay? Next we have, if a plant has fibrous roots, what type of venation do its leaves have? तो जब अगर plant में fibrous roots होते हैं, we know it will have parallel venation. We have already studied about this, है ना? ये हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, right? If we have fibrous roots, तो उसमें parallel venation होगी, और अगर tap root है तो reticulate venation होगी, okay? So we already know, and in fact the question number 7 is also the same. If the plant has reticulate venation, तो कैसे roots होंगे उसके? It will have tap roots. Okay. Then number 8, is it possible for you to recognize the leaves without seeing them? How? Yes, it is possible for us. It is possible to recognize the leaves without seeing them by smelling or touching them. Leaves of some plants have aroma which can be recognized by smelling. Understand? And number 9 is, write the names of the parts of a flower. So the parts of a flower are sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. We will write one line each for them, right? Let's move on to question number 10. In which of the following plants have you seen has got flowers? So we see all the plants which were mentioned here, they have got flowers, right? So this one again we will not do in the copy. We will only note them down in the book. 11th, name of the part of the plant which produces its food. Name this process. So what is that? It is the leaves. Leaves produce the food of the plant. The process of making food in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Next is, in which part of a flower you are likely to find the ovary? It is present in the pistil of the flower. Number 13, name 2 flowers, each with joined and separated sepals. So joined sepals, we have China rose and cotton, and separated sepals, we have rose and jasmine. Okay. Now, I am again going to tell you which all questions are you going to do in your copy. Okay. So, you will be doing question number 3. You can again take the screenshot if you want. Yes. Question number 3. Question number 2 also, I'm sorry. Question number 2 also, in case you have not done that. You will do question number 3 also. And then question number 4. Yes. After that, question number 5, 6, 7 you will not do in your topics. Okay. So then the next one that you will be doing will be question number 8, 9 and 10. Question number 11 also. That's it. Then 12th and 13th we will do only in the book. Okay. So here these are the questions to be done in the book. Okay, so these are the questions that we will do in the notebook. I'm going to share the screen once again in case you want to take the screenshots of any of the questions again. I am sharing it with you. Okay. All right. So that's it for today, and that's it for the course also. We are done with the science course. Now we only have revision going on in the live classes. If you want, you're most welcome to attend any of the live classes and attend the revision. Okay. And in case you're not able to attend the revision classes, you can watch the videos again. The videos which we have already posted for each chapter, you can watch the videos again and revise the chapters. Okay. Please prepare well for your exams. Take care, all of you. Good luck with exams. Bye.